Kia ora, I'm Sharon Holt, the author of Reo Singalong books. Today I thought I would give you an example of how you can use the sentences from our books in real life, and I'm calling that, making our Reo Singalong books real. So one of the ways you can do that is in Me Haere, our very popular book about vehicles and colours, is when you're travelling with children, is to use that sentence structure. Kei te haere aho, I'm going, mā runga, via or by or in or on, kei te haere aho, mā runga, waka, in this instance, car, whero. I'm going in a red car. Kei te haere aho, mā runga, waka whero. So you're getting in your vehicle, whether it's a bus or a car or whatever it is, plane if you're lucky enough, or a truck, or going on a motorbike, or whatever vehicle it is, and say, we can say the sentence from Me Haere now. Kei te haere aho, I'm going, mā runga, waka whero. So an individual can say that, and if you're speaking about the whole family, then you might be saying, kei te haere mātou, we're going, mā runga, waka whero, or whatever colour vehicle or what kind of vehicle you're going in. And that's the way you can make the most of Te Reo Singalong books. One of the ways anyway. Ka kite, kei te haere aho, mā runga, waka whero. Ka kite.